In the heart of southern Africa, Zimbabwe is grappling with a severe drought, exacerbated by El Niño conditions. With millions of Zimbabweans facing hunger, the need for food aid has never been more urgent. So you'd think this aid would be distributed fairly and efficiently, right? Well, not exactly. Recently, the ruling party in Zimbabwe, Zanu PF, has been caught in a whirlwind of accusations. Reports have emerged that some of their own members of parliament were diverting food aid for personal gain. That's right. While millions are starving, some officials are allegedly filling their own pantries. In response to these allegations, Zanu PF has issued a stern warning to its MPs: stay away from the food aid distribution process. They've declared that only government structures should handle the distribution, hoping to curb the misuse. But the twist doesn't end there. An eye-opening report by the Anti-Corruption Trust of Southern Africa highlighted a network of corruption and theft specifically in the Midlands region. This report, based on whistleblower information, paints a grim picture of grain meant for the hungry being siphoned off by the powerful. The United Nations stepped in last May, calling for additional funds to help feed at least 3.1 million Zimbabweans until the next harvest. But with the shadow of corruption looming large, the efficiency of these efforts remains in question. Now, grassroots organizations like Heal Zimbabwe are stepping up. They're calling on the government to ensure that food aid isn't used as a political weapon. They demand transparent and non-partisan distribution, something that's crucial for maintaining trust and integrity in such critical operations. So, what can be done? For starters, oversight and accountability need to be ramped up. The Zimbabwe Anti-Corruption Commission has a hefty job ahead, ensuring that aid reaches those who need it most, without falling into the wrong hands. The story of Zimbabwe's food aid scandal is a stark reminder of how corruption can undermine the fight against hunger. It's a call to action for all stakeholders involved to prioritize humanity over politics. Thank you for tuning into this important discussion. Stay aware, stay informed, and let's hope for a future where aid reaches those who truly need it. Until next time, keep your eyes open and your spirits high.